If you're about to purchase Hostinger, stop for a second and check this deal before you complete your payment. You may already see a promotional price on the Hostinger website, but there could be an additional discount available when you use the right link. Hostinger is currently offering up to 85% off on selected hosting plans. And through the special link in the description, you can also unlock an extra 20% discount automatically applied at checkout when eligible. Here's how it works. Click the first link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen. Choose the hosting plan that fits your website, continue to checkout, and review the final price. You don't need to search for another coupon. You don't need to copy and paste a code. And you don't need to manually enter anything. The additional discount is connected to the special link and is applied automatically when eligible. Now, don't worry if you don't see the extra 20% discount on the first pricing page. The initial page shows the standard promotional prices. Continue to check out and check the final order total before completing your payment. If you're eligible, the additional discount will be reflected there. And if the prices are showing in a different currency, click the flag icon at the top of the page, select your country, and the pricing will update automatically. Now let's look at which hosting plan makes the most sense. If you're creating a blog, personal website, portfolio, or small business website, the premium plan is a great starting point. It gives beginners access to a useful combination of hosting features. Depending on the current offer, you can get a free domain on eligible plans, SSL, professional email, one-click WordPress installation, Hostinger website builder, and AI-powered website tools. That means you can get many of the essentials required to launch your website from one platform. If you're planning to create an online store, manage multiple websites, or build a growing project, take a look at the business plan. Business offers additional resources and can include daily backups and a free CDN. Daily backups are useful because they can help you recover your website if something goes wrong. For example, if an update creates a problem or important content is accidentally removed, having a recent backup can save you from starting over. The CDN can also help improve the delivery of your website content to visitors in different locations. And if you're building a larger website or expecting significantly higher traffic, consider the Cloud Startup Plan. It's designed for projects that need additional performance and resources. Depending on the current package, it may also include features such as priority support and a dedicated IP address. So think about your actual requirements before choosing. Premium can be enough for most personal websites, blogs, portfolios, and small businesses. Business is better suited for e-commerce, multiple websites, and growing projects. Cloud Startup is designed for larger websites that need more resources. Another useful feature is Hostinger's custom H-panel. It gives you a central dashboard where you can manage your websites, domains, email accounts, WordPress installation, backups, security settings, and other hosting tools. You don't need to be an experienced developer to manage the basics. And if you're starting a website from scratch, Hostinger's AI-powered tools can make the process faster. The AI website builder can help create a starting website based on your project details. You can then customize the pages, edit the content, replace images, and adjust the design to fit your brand. Before purchasing, also compare the available billing periods. If you're planning to keep your website online for several years, a longer-term option can sometimes provide better overall value. When a 48-month plan is available, compare it with the shorter options and look at the total cost.